Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying the exact property and error type. This matters because HTTP, HTTPS, and www differences change indexing. Open coverage or URL inspection and note which URLs fail and why. Next, collect your sitemap, robots, TXT, and any recent deployment notes so you have context. Once done, prioritize a small sample of URLs to test changes quickly. That way you can validate fixes before wide release and avoid repeating work across many pages. Now you run targeted diagnostics. Inspect a failing URL, then test the rendered page and live crawl. This shows whether Google can fetch and read content. Make specific edits, remove erroneous noindex, correct canonical tags, or adjust robots. TXT disallow lines, and then redeploy. If you see 5XX or 403 responses, check server logs, CDN settings, and firewall rules because blockers often live outside CMS. Once fixes are applied, revalidate a few URLs to confirm. Finish by submitting fixes. Click Validate Fix and watch the status over the next 24 to 72 hours because reindexing can take time. Make sure to clear CDN caches and refetch as Google if you suspect cached errors. This forces a fresh crawl. If validation still fails, roll back the latest deploy and test locally, then compare headers, robots, TXT, and canonical directives line by line to isolate the regression. One key tip: use server logs and live fetch to catch intermittent issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.